Today is going to be Santi's first toy review, and we're going to see his reaction. Don't do that.
Does his face have a big head? Does he see it? Yes. I told you.
So Santiago's asleep, and we just left the store. We got him his little surprise. Hopefully he likes it, and we're gonna see his reaction to it. And we also went to go look for what we're gonna get him for Christmas. We don't know yet, but we're thinking about Legos. He's still asleep. So see you at home.
Not yet.
I'm not gonna see.
Don't open it. Hey, you're peeking. So we're back from the store. Santi's awake now, and we're gonna show him his presents. Let's see how he reacts. Close your eyes. Don't open them. Not yet. Don't peek. Okay.
Legos!
Yeah.
What Lego thing?
What is that?
Origami?
Ninja Turtles.
What's this?
Car. You gonna open them?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you like it?
This started one.
Okay.
First this one.
Okay, first that one. Daddy, open it for him.
Okay, let's open it first.
It's Minions.
Minions.
I like Minions.
You like Minions?
Yeah. Cacahuate!
Cacahuate. Here, open it. What's in there? You're scared?
Legos!
A Minion Lego!
A Minion Lego.
Cool.
A Lego.
Wow. That is awesome.
Which one did you get? Look at the pattern. Which one did you get?
The pattern. Pattern.
Look how it looks. Look, you see? Which one looks like this one? ¿Cuál? Which one? Look at it.
Like this.
Like that one, right? Wow.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Now let's open the other ones, and then you can build it, okay?
Okay.
Let's move this out the way. Put it right here.
Can you please open it? Open the BJ mask. What is it?
You want to open the PJ Masks?
What's gonna be in the PJ Mask one? Is it gonna be... Who's gonna be in there?
Get it out. Open it.
I didn't see what was there. Let's see this. Oh. Outlet!
Wow.
Oh, yeah! Outlet!
Outlet. You
Outlet.
said here's the chef thing.
That was her little house. Oh my goodness. That is struggling.
Look.
Show the camera.
Whoa.
Oh, it lights up. How did that happen?
Wait.
Look.
Where's
Oh.
Catboy? Where's Gecko?
Look right here.
Man. Oh, that's cool. You can have it at night. Look.
Who's here?
What's in there?
What's in there? Let's check.
Let's check what's in there.
I'm gonna be so sorry at this. Party thing. I'm gonna show my friend. Wait.
What is that? Do you like it? What color is it? What color?
Blue?
It's your favorite color. Yeah.
Look, you can put... Oh, look, you got a sticker. Look, it's a sticker.
Oh, you got a sticker.
What is this?
What is this one?
What is that one? Let's check.
Let's check what is here.
No, wait. Let's check this one. Let's check this one first.
And
then that one, and then that one.
I'm gonna take that one.
Okay. What's in there? Ninja Turtle!
look, it's your favorite one, the blue one.
Yeah.
Oh, you
Wait,
got your favorite
what could
one.
you say? Outlet?
Yeah, look at Outlet.
Dile, hola, Outlet.
Hola,
You wanna be my friend?
Yeah.
You want to build the minion?
Yeah.
Yeah?
No, first we need to build this.
Okay, no, look. Look, first we're going to build the minion, okay? Where are his legs?
I want it in here.
Okay, look. You put these on here. Put them on there.
Oh, you got it. You got it.
Want me to help you?
You want Daddy to help you? Daddy can help you.
Here, look.
Banana. I can catch
Look,
you.
his eyes are on there. Where's his hair?
Hair?
We're missing his hair.
We don't hair.
Yeah.
No, he don't have hair.
You have already hair.
Okay, look, put that one in right here.
Then the banana goes on his head, no?
No, look. Put that one in here. Here, you put it in there. Yeah, it had hair. I mean, it had to have hair.
Oh, yeah, it has hair.
There's different kinds.
Let's open this
Where's
one.
the bag at?
Probably still in the bag.
Let's
Yeah, it's in
see. What is in here?
Wait, we have to finish building it.
No.
And then you can play with it. Look, oh, his hair.
Look, come here. Come here, Papa. Look,
Mom.
look. Look,
Just
put
finish
this,
it.
Put this right there. Squish it in there. Oh, wait.
Squish it.
I guess you're going to take the hands off. Yeah, you're going
Let's
to take the hands off. Okay, now put it in there. Squish it in there.
Whoa,
You
you're
got it?
strong.
You almost got it.
What is this?
His hand.
His hand.
Daddy took off his hand. No.
It's so ugly, Baba Tita. He can't call it hand with a banana.
Banana.
Okay, now
He
you
can't
look.
go.
Look, now you
He
put it.
can't grab it.
Look, now you put his head. His hair.
His head.
Daddy said his head.
His head. Good.
And then you give him his banana. And then look, put him right here. Put him right there.
Right there,
Got it?
I can't.
You can't.
No.
Look, there it is. Look.
Hey, Million! Chocolate.
Oh.
Chocolate. Chocolate. Good.
There it is. Look at your minion. Look, which one is it? Which one is it, Papa?
I will let.
Look, Santi. Which one is it? Find it. Find which one it is.
No.
No, it's not that one. That one. There you go. Look, it's this one. And look, Santi. You can get all of them. Look, you can get all of them. You want to get all of them?
Yeah, but
Yeah?
first this one. The chicken.
Okay, so now we're gonna play a game. It's PJ Mask matching cards game. Let's see if Santi. Let's see who wins.
I'm gonna win.
You're gonna win?
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm gonna win.
Okay.
I don't think you win. I think you just match them.
No, whoever gets the most matches.
No, I know, Mom. I love you.
I love you too.
Let's see.
Mom.
Because
That's
the game
my
of picture
favorite.
matching flip over card. Your favorite character.
Oh, you got Outlet. Let me see.
Catboy.
Who's Outlet? Who's Outlet? Over here. Over here. Who's Outlet? That one. Let me see.
Is it the same?
Oh, yeah. Wow.
Oh, here. Let me get the blue one.
You flip them all upside down and then
Okay, set up
You
how
check.
many?
Romeo!
Which one are you gonna find, Bubba?
These!
Let me see which one's that one.
Is this a
Who's in that?
picture?
Who is it?
Oh, the cars. Find it. I see it right now.
That's the cars.
What are they?
What is it, Bubba?
I'm gonna find one of the cars.
One of the cars? Okay, find one of the cars.
These go right here. These go right here. These go right here. So he goes right here. You can't put him right here with the mask.
Okay, find this.
No. I want to find the cars.
Okay, find them.
I can see it.
Look, find this one. Find this one.
I can see it. Gecko, gecko.
Which
Right
one?
there with the motor. With the...
That one?
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay,
find
now
the
find
other
the other
gecko.
one.
Right there, right there, right there.
Which one?
Right there.
Oh,
What is he
you
doing? Super
found
Gecko
it.
what?
Super gecko muscles.
Yeah,
gonna
Super
put
Gecko
them right
muscles.
Here.
Okay, put it right there. Now, what are you gonna find now?
Mm,
Look, find Romeo's car.
no,
No?
no. I'm gonna find. Trampoline.
Trampoline. There's no trampoline.
I'm gonna find this one.
Gecko, okay.
These
Gecko
one of
again.
these.
Okay, where is he?
I can see it.
Oh, you can see it right there.
There's that.
Wow, you
I'm gonna
found
put
it.
it right here.
Okay.
They're all with me.
I bet you can't find this one.
I'm gonna.
Can you find Romeo?
No, I don't want to find Romeo. I don't want to find Romeo right now. Okay, then?
Okay, okay.
Right here. I'm gonna find. Here.
Which one's that one? The ninjas?
Yeah.
Okay, find them. I see them right now.
No.
Yeah.
Me. I can see them.
Oh, I got a nose. Get them.
I'm gonna make this chocolate, okay, Mom?
Mm-hmm.
Look, the first one comes the bike. Okay, Baba?
The bike.
Yeah. The police officer comes
Yeah.
first.
This one. Where's the put the police officer's hat on. Put it on. Click it.
Lick.
Yay. Where's his pants? Put on his pants.
Lick.
You got it?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll help you.
Mom, no.
Look at the mean man. The bad guy. He's the bad guy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He knew he catch everything. He catch a bottle soul in a toy.
Yeah?
He can grab toys.
Oh my god.
You're not gonna help me. Remember? You're not gonna help me.
Oh, okay. I will help you. You see? You got it! How'd you do that? I couldn't do it.
But I do with my powers.
Oh, you have powers?
Yeah.
What are
Then
your
it's this
powers?
Right here?
Your muscles. You mean your muscles?
Yeah.
Okay, now click that one in there.
Whoa, you got
got it?
powers.
Yeah. That's a pizza.
Okay.
You gonna put it right here.
You have all your wheels?
I put it.
Okay, now.
Now we're gonna put it right here. I'm gonna put his whistle.
Look,
Mom,
put this one
remember?
next, Papa.
You're not gonna help me.
Here,
Put this one.
Click
and then
it.
this one.
click that one. Push it down.
Look. Hey, baby.
And then that one.
Santi, look, pay attention.
Look, Papa, like this.
A telephone. Telephone. Hello. I'm a mama.
Let me see your telephone.
You're not gonna give me together. Someone else. Bye.
There's supposed to be another one.
Telephone.
Wait, the whistle.
Okay, so we're gonna help Santi build the Legos because he's too small.
No, I'm not small because I'm big because I can build the Legos myself. So I can build the truck.
Tell them that you're big.
I'm big because I can build the Legos and the truck.
Okay,
and
I'm sorry.
Motorcycle.
So you're big?
Yeah.
You can do it by yourself?
Yeah.
Okay, he can do it by himself.
I was going to the school and I hit the ball to the school. So the dinosaur, he was walking and he bit me in my hair. So it was so green and I hurt myself. So I didn't want it and I punched the dinosaur because he was just eating me. And then he was so ugly because he was just on floor. He was an officer. He was a police officer because he was just eating food from my kids. So he was so awesome. He was so awesome. He was not. It was 6.
How old are you?
3.
Okay, what's your name? Tell them what your name is.
No.
That's not your name. Tell them your real name.
No.
Tell them your real name.
Look, Santi.
Oh, no.
Look.
No.
It's the first piece you need.
The piece need
Look.
here.
Which one does it look like? Which one is this one? Find it. Find it over here.
I can't find it right now.
Let me see.
What are you building?
Stop.
The wheel?
Stop wheel. I can't.
Yes, you can. You got powers.
Ooh. Power lesson. I can't move.
You want me to help you?
Yeah.
You got it?
Yeah. Maybe the toad. Maybe.
You got it. Push it in.
The officer. Maybe the policeman.
No, it's not a policeman.
That's the bad guy.
Maybe the bad guy. No. Maybe
Daddy can help you.
Okay, wait.
You want Daddy to try and help you?
No. What?
He can do it by himself.
No.
Push it. You can do it. You're strong.
I can't. I want somebody to help. I want my friend to help.
You're going to put it on the truck. Like that, look. In the front. Now, come here. You're going to put it right here. Like that.
know. That's what. It's the front.
Okay, put it.
It's the back.
Where's the front?
Like here.
No, it doesn't go like that.
It goes like that.
Look like this. If you put it like this. Santi.
Look, Mom. Look.
Okay, let me see.
That's what I do.
Wow! Put on the other 2 wheels. Here's the other one. Wow!
Look at this song. Look at this sound. Oh,
Oh,
that was
that click. Okay, Santi, which one's your favorite?
the blue one.
Which one?
This one.
Oh, wow. Did you like your present?
Yeah.
Your surprise?
Yeah.
You want more surprises like this?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
He's the one is out.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Get the bad guy. Don't let him go. Okay? Okay, say bye now.
No.
Not yet.
Not yet, Dad.
Just say bye to the camera like that. It's okay. We're still
Bye.
gonna play. See you later.
See you later, alligator.